How to add music to your Instagram story on Android. This tutorial shows you how to add a song to your story quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the story at the top left of the screen to create a new story. At this point, take a photo or video or swipe up to choose one from your gallery and select Next. In the next step, once your photo or video is ready, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen and select Music. Or from there, let me show you. Tap on the music sticker from the options. At this stage, you'll be taken to the music library. Search for the song you want to add in the search bar at the top. Following this, tap on the song to select it and select the next arrow. Once done, you'll see a preview of the song playing. Drag the slider to choose which part of the song you want to play in your story. From there, tap on Done to add the music sticker to your story. At this stage, drag the music sticker to position it anywhere on your story and pinch to resize it if needed. Following this, you can also tap on the music sticker to change the display style. Choose between showing the album art, lyrics, or just the song name. Here's an important note. If you can't find a specific song in the music library, it may not be available in your region due to licensing restrictions. Try searching for a similar song as an alternative. Finally, once you're happy with everything, tap on Your Story at the bottom left to share it with all your followers with the music playing automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you add music to your Instagram story, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.